Health is not about the weight you lose, it's about the life you gain. Now imagine this a simple cup of herbal tea that people are calling herbal Ozempic. Sounds unbelievable, right? But today I am going to show you how drinking fenugreek tea could become your secret weapon for weight loss, digestion, and overall wellness. Stay with me until the end because you will not only learn how it works but also how to make it perfectly at home. Let's be honest, weight loss can feel like a never ending battle. You try one diet after another, spend money on supplements, maybe even consider expensive injection, but nothing seems sustainable. But what if I told you there are natural science backed affordable solutions sitting right in your kitchen? Fun Greek seeds. Yes, those tiny golden seeds your grandma might have used in cooking can actually help control appetite, manage blood sugar, and support weight loss. Have you ever wondered why ancient remedies are making a comeback in modern health? Well, fenugreek is one of those forgotten treasures. Fenugreek, also known as methi in South Asia, is a medicinal herb that's been used for thousands of the year. In Ayurveda and traditional medicine, it's famous for controlling blood sugar, improving digestion, and even boosting energy. But here's the exciting part when you brew fenugreek seed into a tea, they release soluble fiber called glycomannan. This fiber slows down digestion, makes you feel full for longer, and stabilize blood sugar. In simple words, less craving, less overeating. Now tell me in the comment, have you ever tried fenugreek seed before? I love to know how you use them. How does fenugreek tea work for weight loss? Number 1, appetite control. Fenugreek tea swells up in your stomach because of its fiber. You feel satisfied with less food. Imagine naturally reducing portion size without feeling deprived. Number 2, blood sugar balance. Just like expensive medications, fenugreek slows down sugar absorption in the intestine. This prevents sudden spike and crashes in energy. Number 3, boost metabolism. The compounds in fenugreek gently stimulate digestion, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. Number 4, reduce belly fat. Studies show fenugreek help improve insulin sensitivity, which is directly linked to stubborn belly fat. And here's a fun fact. Research found that people who drink fenugreek tea before meal naturally add fewer calories without even realizing it. So tell me, would you love a cup of tea that quietly work in your favor while you enjoy your meal? Other amazing benefits. Weight loss is just one part of the story. Fenugreek tea offers so much more. Better digestion, it eases bloating, constipation, and acidity. Hormonal balance, especially for women, fenugreek support healthy estrogen level and easiest menstrual discomfort. Cholesterol control, it lower bad cholesterol and support heart health. Improved energy. Many people say they feel lighter and more energetic after making fenugreek tea part of their daily routine. It's amazing how one small seed can support so many areas of health. How to make fenugreek tea? Now let's get practical. Here's how you can make fenugreek tea at home. Ingredients: 1 to 2 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 cup of water, optional a squeeze of lemon or a teaspoon of honey. Method: Number 1, lightly crush the seeds into release their oils. Number 2, boil 1 cup of water. Number 3, add the seeds and let them simmer for 5 minutes. Number 4, strain into a cup. Number 5, add lemon or honey if you want extra flavor. Best time to drink: morning on an empty stomach for 13 minutes before meals. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or on diabetes medication, consult your doctor before starting fenugreek tea. Let me share a quick story. One of my friends, a busy mom struggling with constant craving, she started drinking fenugreek tea before lunch and dinner. Within weeks, she wasn't overeating, her bloating reduced, and she dropped nearly 4 pounds without changing much else. Now, of course, fenugreek tea it's not magic. It's work best when paired with balanced diet and regular movement, but it can give you that extra push you've been looking for. So here is my challenge to you. Try fenugreek tea for 14 days. Keep a small journal of how you feel, your appetite, energy, digestion, and then come back here and share your result in the comment box. Remember, your health journey doesn't need to be a complicated or expensive. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. Your body is your garden. Take care of it and it will take care of you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more natural health tips, and share this with someone who been struggling with weight loss, who know you might just change their life. Thanks for the watching The Food Book. Until next time, stay healthy, stay inspired, and keep sipping your way to better you.